Hello CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Here's my project 0 web search. So as you can see, we have the web search site here. We can click to the image search right here, then we can go back to web search and we go to advanced search here and back again. So now if we type in Howard in lowercase and click on search, we will get the Google search results for the query. Next we can click to the image search and type in Howard again and search for images, and they're displayed quite nicely here. Then we can go back to web search and to advanced search, and I will type in just hello, my name is, and we go to advanced search, and here we can see hello name my is, and this is kind of the display if you would type it in the normal Google search query. And like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically and all of the text fields are left aligned. And consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button is blue with white text, and when the advanced search button is clicked, the user is taken to search results page for the given query. So now let's try out the I'm feeling lucky button. We type in Harvard and click on the button, and now this redirecting page comes up, which is I don't know why this comes up, but as we can see, we are on the first try on the Harvard site with the I'm feeling lucky button implementation. Now we go through the code. Index HTML here up. I use the Bootstrap library and my own style CSS sheet. I implemented a navbar as you see here, and all the rest. So this was my project 0 search in CS50 Web.